Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator. So this is really helpful because it gives you a secure code every time you log in, which helps you protect your accounts from unauthorized access. Once you already have the Google Authenticator on your phone, go ahead and open the app. And inside you'll see a list of accounts along with a 6-digit code that keeps changing every few seconds. These are the codes you'll use whenever there is a website or app that is asking for verification. If you don't have any accounts yet, you can add one easily. Just go to the app or website where you want to enable two-factor authentication, open the settings, then find the security section and look for two-factor authentication. And from there, choose to use an authentication app. You'll be given two options here, a QR code or a setup key. If you're using another device, you can scan the QR code. If not, you can copy the setup key instead. Now go back to Google Authenticator and tap the plus icon at the bottom. Choose whether to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. If you're entering a key, give the account a name so that you can recognize it. Paste the key, make sure it's set to based, and then tap add. So once the account is added, a code will appear. To use it, go back to the app or website you're setting up and continue. And when asked for a code, open Google Authenticator, copy the code, and enter it to confirm. After that, the account is now protected with two-factor authentication, and anytime you try to log in or make changes, you may be asked for a code. Just open Google Authenticator, get the code, and enter it. You can also add more accounts anytime by tapping the plus button again and repeating the same process. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.